Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the calendar board and tell me which shape was the last shape we drew yesterday? If we find that shape, it will help us figure out what today is. What's your guess? Did you guess red heart? Red heart was yesterday. That was the last shape we did in our pattern. And it was Sunday, February 7th, 2021. So before we continue, we are going to put our shape for today in here. And that's so that when we figure out all the components of our calendar, we'll be able to figure out which square we need to go back to for today. So we need to put our shape in here. What shape do you think follows red heart? What do you think comes next? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning of our pattern and say it together. It's okay if you don't know, we can all learn together. Red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus. Or did you say blue diamond? That's right. The rhombus is also called a diamond. You start at the top and go on an angle down, then come down on an angle to the bottom, back up to the other side, and back up to the top. The rhombus is also called a diamond. So if you call it a diamond, you are correct. If you call it a rhombus, you are correct as well. We're going to call it a rhombus throughout our pattern this month so that we remember that it's also called a rhombus. So you can color this on your calendar or on your piece of paper. You can also color it in the air if you would like to follow along. So before we do our calendar, I just wanted to point out that we've got some Valentine hearts up here replacing our snowflakes. The snowflakes might come back after our special day, but I wanted to decorate the board this week for our special day that's happening in 7 days. Do you know what it is? Have you heard yet? Has anybody mentioned it to you? We are going to be celebrating Valentine's Day, which is a special day for showing our special people how much we love them. Sometimes we make them a card, or we can give them a flower or a chocolate or a hug or a smooch. Just something simple that lets our loved ones know that we really care for them. So it's 14 days away from the beginning of the month. So let's count 14 days to find our square. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our special day is going to be on a Sunday as well. And I am just going to get a red marker and I am going to print Valentine's Day in here. V-A-L-E-N-T-I-N-E and apostrophe S. We talked about that apostrophe S, didn't we? That means it belongs to somebody. And this day belongs to Valentine. So there's a whole story behind that. And we'll talk more about that on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. I'm going to put some little hearts here because I don't know yet if our heart pattern, heart rhombus pattern is going to be a heart on Valentine's Day. We'll find out on that day, okay? So now that we've put in our Valentine's Day and we've put some hearts on the board, let's go back to today. So today is a blue rhombus. Yesterday was a red heart. Yesterday was Sunday, February 7th, 2021. So today, if yesterday was Sunday, what do you think today is? Monday. Good guess. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them together. It's okay if you don't know yet, we'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I love it when you practice with me. So today is Monday, and here is our card for Monday. It starts with a capital M. M for munchies. What else? Marvelous. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. So today is Monday, and we're going to put that into our sentence, which begins with today is. And I'm going to put a capital M because it's the name of our day. O-N, whoops, D-A-Y. Y, and then I'm going to put a comma here, and that comma tells us to pause when we're saying our sentence. So when we're reading our sentence, after we say Monday, we're going to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be our month. Do you know how many months there are in the year? Do you remember? Ooh, good guess. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's try saying the names. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And right now we are in the second month of the year. Can you see that on the board? It's right after January. 1, 2, February. So it begins with the letter F. F for farm, friend, family. F. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Feb-ru-ary. February. So let's put that into our sentence. Today is Monday, comma, and then a capital F because it's the name of our month. E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we're going to put in the date. Do you know what the number is going to be today? So this is our square for today, and this was yesterday. Yesterday was a 7. So what do you think today will be? What's your guess? Let's check. Let's see if we're correct. Are you ready? Let's count together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you guess 8? Good job. To make an 8, we start up at the top and we come around and then we go back around this way into a loop, and then we come back up and go around this way and back up to the top. Can you do that in the air or on your calendar or on your paper with me? Let's start at the top, come around, down, and around in a loop and back up to the top. That's an 8. 8. Let's count backwards. Do you remember? Let's try together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Good job. So let's put an 8 next to the February. Remember, we'll start at the top and loop down, loop around the bottom and come up. Now I'm going to put a comma here so that we remember to pause before we say the year. And the year is 2021. 2021, and then a period. So let's say our whole sentence together. Are you ready? Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021. Good job. Did you check the weather before we sat down today to do our calendar? What's it like out where you live? Is it snowing? Are you guys having some snow? It's not snowing here. Is it raining? Is it raining where you live? It's not raining here. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? A little bit of sunshine and a little bit of cloudy. That's kind of like what we have going on today. Or are you all cloudy? No sunshine? Or are you all sunny and no clouds at all? I'm partly cloudy, partly sunny. So I'm going to put that up here. And will you help me put it into our weather chart? Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger up to the sky and strike it down. Now let's see if we can find the partly cloudy, partly sunny. The first one is the sunshine, but we also want a cloud, so that's not it. The second one is a cloud, but there's no sunshine, and we want to have sunshine as well as a cloud. Now we got a cloud with some rain. Nope, not raining here. What about snowing? Nope, I'm not snowing here. Oh, there's a sunshine and a cloud. So let's put a tally mark in there. And we have a special tally mark today because how many tally marks do we have there already? Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tally marks. So that means we do a special tally mark to make it the next number. Do you remember what it is? We take it all the way up to the corner and strike it down on an angle. All the way up to the corner and strike it down across all those tally marks. Let's do it. Ready? On your paper or in the air, put up to the corner and go all the way across those tally marks. Now let's count and see how many we have. We had 4, and then we added 1 more. How many do you think we'll have? 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we've got 5. And whenever you see these 4 tally marks with the 5th one stroked through it, that means a 5. So you don't even have to count it. You can just say, that's a 5. No counting necessary. So next we're going to do our agenda. And do you remember, I spell my name and then I put an apostrophe S on the end. And that tells everybody that this is my book. It says Celine's apostrophe S. You put an apostrophe S behind your name when you want people to know that something belongs to you. So yesterday was Sunday and I wanted to do my to-do list and I did do that. I read a book and then I wrote a letter and I did some laundry and bread. I didn't do it all yesterday, but I made this list up. So this is my list to do for the week. Now let's go to today and I'm going to put today's date, which is Monday, capital M-O-N-D-A-Y, comma, capital F because it's the name of the month, E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, and it's the 8th today, comma, 2021. I got it to fit all in one line today. That's exciting. So I'm going to count up to 8. I'm going to practice making my letters all the way up to 8 so I get really good at making my numbers. You can practice on your paper or you can follow in the air or you can just say them along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. And it's partly cloudy, partly sunny. So I'm just going to do a sun here and I need to have a crayon. Yellow crayon. So let's make a yellow sun. And then I'm going to draw a card because today I need to make a card and mail it to my mom for Valentine's Day. Whoops, down there. So I need to put it in the mailbox and the mail carrier needs to deliver it to her. And sometimes it takes a few days to do that. So I need to get it into the mailbox today. So I'm going to draw a card and there's the back page and the front page. And I'm just going to put a flower on the front. We'll do an orange one today. And let's see, do I have a green? Let's do a green petal. And I'm also going to make an envelope. So when I do this today, I am going to make a video so that you can learn how to make a card and envelope as well. So you look for that on the channel and you can do that with me. Then I'm going to put my name on the bottom, capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E, because I want to practice printing my name every day. Then I'll get really good at it. And if you don't know how to spell all of your letters and your words yet, you can just practice by making one letter at a time. So we're going to make the B. We're going to start up at the top and we're going to go straight down. And then we're going to make 2 bumps. Bump, bump. Did you follow along on your paper or in the air? Let's try it together, okay? Start up at the top and make one line down and then make your bumps out like this. So big bumps, boop, boop. And that is an uppercase B. Now we're going to make a lowercase b. Start with one line and then you're going to make a bump just at the bottom. One more time. Start up at the top, go down, and then a bump. Good job. If you practice making your letters every day, you'll get really good at making them, and eventually you'll be able to put them together to make words, and then you'll be printing and writing letters and doing all kinds of nice things with your words. So yesterday, I was feeling, was I feeling nervous yesterday? Let's see. How am I feeling today? How are you feeling today? Are you feeling nervous? Are you nervous about what you're going to do today? Or maybe you're shy because you're around some new people that you don't know very well. Those feelings are all okay. What about happy? Are you happy today? Just feeling good? Nothing's wrong? It's a good day? The sun is shining? What about excited? Are you super excited today? Is something fabulous happening? Are you getting to go to the playground? Or you get to see somebody you haven't seen in a long time? Those are some great emotions to have. What about sad? Are you sad today? It's okay to be sad. I hope you're not sad, but it's okay if you are. You can talk to your adult, maybe get a hug, try to feel better, solve your whatever's causing you to be sad. What about angry? Or miserable, grouchy, disappointed? Are you any of those today? All of those emotions are okay too. Let's see. I think I'm nervous today because I need to get my card and my envelope done, and I need to get them to the post office in time for them to mail to my mother. So I'm going to put nervous here because I am just a little bit nervous. So, are you going to do something kind today? I can't wait to do something kind today. My something kind is that I'm going to make my mom a card and mail it to her. She'll get it in a couple of days, so she won't know today, but I've started the process today. So I'm going to make her a card and mail it to her. Do you think you could make a card? It's okay if you don't mail it. You can just give it to somebody, or maybe you could put it on your grown-up's pillow or on the table for them to find, or in the mailbox. Your grown-ups like to find things in the mailbox that are happy as well, or you can drop it off in a neighbor's mailbox. Or if you really do have somebody to mail it to, ask your parent or your grown-up. Maybe they can mail it for you. So I hope you find something kind to do today and have a lot of fun doing it, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.